Long and short sounds of digraph E. Digraph EA can make a long E sound as in the words beach, each or teach. Digraph EA can also make a short E sound in words like bread, head and spread. Let us take some more examples. You are watching Phonics Reading YouTube channel. Digraph E has long sound E. S, E, C. B, each, beach. In beach, there are two digraphs, E and Ch. Digraphs are two letters and one sound. Read, E-D, read. Cl, E-N, clean. Cl is a consonant blend. L, E, P, leap. Dr, E, M, dream. Dr is a consonant blend. Pl, is, please. Pl is a consonant blend, and in please, the last E is silent. Now let us take some examples where digraph EA makes a short E sound, that is eh. H-ed, head. Br-ed, bread. H-e-l-th, health. The two digraphs in health, eh and th. Br, eh, th, breath. F, eh, th, feather. The three digraphs in feather, eh, and l, eh, th, leather. Three digraphs in leather too. Th, eh, d, thread. Eh, d, o, meadow. OW is making O sound, alternate spelling of the digraph O. Try reading the next few words. Thanks for watching. See you soon.